Hey, John Sonmez from simpleprogrammer.com. So I got this question from Altan, and Altan says, "Hi John, my name is Altan. I'm a recent college graduate, young software developer, and I find your content to be some of the best stuff available in enhancing software dev career." Well, thanks. I recently signed up for your free blogging course and purchased your package from Dev Career Boost. That's my How to Market Yourself as a Software Developer course. If you're wondering, you can find that at devcareerboost.com. There'll also be a link at the bottom of the video. I haven't been able to sink my teeth into all the content yet, but judging by your podcast and blog posts, I'm sure it'll be highly useful and entertaining. My question revolves around balancing the career self-help you advocate and enhancing my software development skills. I've been at my current position for 4 months and I'm the youngest person on the team. I'm still learning more than I'm contributing, but I want to become a valuable team member as fast as possible. I'm struggling to find a balance between enhancing my dev skills and focusing on the self-help I can give my career through your materials. I'm very interested in creating a blog, but I'm just not sure what to center it around. Would simply writing blog posts about things I'm learning be sufficient? I'm looking to learn about design patterns, C#, SQL, and ESP.NET in more detail. Should I be worried about my blog posts potentially being simple adaptations from the resources I'm utilizing to learn? You always talk about being a big fish in a small pond. I just don't feel like I have the skills right now to be that big fish no matter what the size of the pond is. Thanks for all you have done. Your content continually pushes me to become a better software developer. Well, Altan, I definitely feel your pain. There's this struggle between, what I would call like soft skills development and hard technical development. But I think you can find a balance, and also I think you're not alone. And there's a lot of young software developers or new software developers that echo your fear of not being able to be a big fish in any pond. But that's simply not true, right? You're a unique person. You have a unique set of experiences and background, and so you can define your own niche that is fairly small, where you can be a big fish, and you're going to grow over time. So here's what I would kind of recommend for you is. You definitely want to increase your technical skills at this point in your career. You can't ignore that. I think someone in a more senior role might see that their primary investment should be in soft skills, that they should learn how to market themselves and do these other things because they already have a high technical aptitude, and pushing the envelope a little further in that direction is not going to get them much better results. But for you, just starting out, you definitely want to increase your technical skills, but it takes a long time to market yourself and to build a reputation and brand in the industry. So you don't want to neglect that. A lot of young software developers say, I'll create a blog, or I'll focus on marketing myself later. I don't have the skills anyway. No one's going to want to listen to me or hear me anyway. But don't take that approach. Instead, here's what I'd recommend. So learn what you need to learn to become better at your job and to become a better developer. But as you're doing this, teach it through your blog, right? So, and I did this a lot of my career, was teaching as I'm learning. Not only will teaching as you're learning help you to start establishing yourself and to start building a following, because there's going to be a lot of other beginners that are going to appreciate your beginner's viewpoint, and they're going to relate to you. And whatever background, people are going to click with different people for certain reasons, but it's going to give you a good history that's going to help you in the future. Remember, take some time to build up a reputation. But so not only is it going to do that, but teaching is the best way to learn. You never really learn something until you teach it to someone else. You might have the knowledge in your head of a thing, but true understanding, I've found, only comes when you teach it to someone else. That's when you really get it, when you really understand it. So you need to be doing that, and you might as well be benefiting from that. So that's why I say, you can kind of kill two birds with one stone, as they say, is create your blog, start blogging about what you're learning, and try to have a focus to it if you can. It's better to have it niched down. You can even make your focus be a journey of a beginning developer. I think that's kind of cool because, if you imagine someone in your shoes, let's say that you've been doing this for 3 years and showing how you're progressing and what you're learning and the struggles you're facing. Well, someone who's in your shoes right now who stumbled across your blog and saw that, oh wow, this is 3 years of this guy's progress to becoming a senior developer, that's going to be gold to them. That's going to be absolute gold. They're going to be your followers they're going to be following you for life because it's going to be so valuable to them. So, think of it that way. Everyone's got something to contribute, and you got to start now. You can't put it off. It's hard. You're going to be afraid. You're going to feel intimidated. You're going to feel like you're not worthy. But you got to get through that. You don't, like I always say, don't be afraid to look like an idiot. It's fine. Everyone looks like an idiot at some point, but if you can get over that, that's where you're really going to find success in life. So anyway, great question. Thanks for emailing me, and hopefully all of you have enjoyed these videos. If you do, definitely subscribe to the channel, and you'll get 3 new videos each week, or 3 new podcast episodes if you're listening on your in your podcast listener. Take care.